Now the second program, that is command line arguments. How to do a programs the command line arguments in Java in the same application. Right click on the package, new class file. Once again I am taking class file. Now my class name is command args, CMD command args, and click on finish button. Click on finish. See here, now I am going to write a main method. How can I write? Type main and control plus hold, put space, then press enter. Automatically main method will come. Now here yesterday's program, the same program I am going to show, that is system dot, sorry, you need to use the shortcut now. The shortcut is sysho. Okay, control shift, press enter. Now what happened? It may throws, not write any throws. Okay, system.out.println. I want to display the first name, for example FIRST, first name. First name will be the first argument, that is comes from arguments of 0, and second argument, okay, second argument, that is second name, the last name is of arguments of ones. The same program yesterday we did in command line. Now we are going to do the same program in ordinary environment. Okay, how to execute this particular program? Right click, go for run as Java application. But whenever we are going to run, if you go and click on Java application, what happened? Let us see. If you click on Java application, then what happens here? You will definitely get an error here, because you are not passing the arguments. There is no argument in 0th command as well as the first command. So how can we configure? Let us right click on your program, whatever program you written, command args, and run as is an option. Go for run configurations. Okay, then a window is going to be appeared in front of you. Select the arguments here. If you see here, there is a tab called arguments. You can give the arguments, program arguments, like this. The arguments is, I am giving Rajesh, and I am also giving PATNIK, 2 arguments right now, and click on run. Let me see what happened. Click on run button. I will get 2 arguments because I passed 2 arguments. Arguments of 0 is the Rajesh, and arguments of 1 is Patnaik. That means 2 arguments I passed. I will get the output like this. I am going to get the output like this. Okay. Okay, similarly the second program, that is same command line arguments. You must do this type of programs because it is also given by the Wipro company. How to pass the arguments. For example, I am going to create another program for sum of 2 numbers using command line arguments. The same program yesterday we did with Notepad. We are going to do the same program with arguments, command arguments, and with Eclipse. Okay, what is the class name? My class name is command or CMD args sum is my class name. Click on finish. It is going to create another class in the same package. Okay, now I am typing the main method main and control shift, it will be give the main method. Now you can write, okay, now you can write int a comma b is the two variables. A equals to integer, yesterday I already told, integer dot parseInt of what, this one, args of 0 is the first argument, because I am going to pass 1 is a string, but I am going to convert into the integer and store in the a variable. And similarly the b variable is like this, b equals to integer dot parseInt of args of 1. Now I am going to declare int c equals to a plus b. Okay, now this is the operation. Now I am going to write sysO control shift press enter, automatically system.out.println come. Now the sum is plus, where is the final value, in C. Okay, now this particular program, how to execute this particular program, right click on this particular class file. Please right click on this particular class file and you will get a pop-up menu, and under that run configurations, you will get run configurations. Click on run configurations. You can get all the different type of tabs. Under that you can select arguments. Now I am going to remove the previous arguments. Now I am going to enter some numbers. 33 is the first argument and 56 is the second argument. Okay, so I need to get the result is 33 plus 56, that is 89. Okay, click on run. Whenever I click on run, it is going to get, what happened, the previous program is going to run. Okay, I have to change the program also. 1 second. Right click on this particular program, run configurations. I want to run which class? I have to run not this class. Command arg sum I need to execute. Wipro dot basic programs dot this particular class. Under Wipro dot basics pro is the package. Under that, what is the class I have to use? Command arg sum. Otherwise you can click on search. So we have to select which class to execute. I am going to execute cmd ars, actually args, but g is missing, args dot sum. Click on OK, and in the arguments tab you need to give the first and second value 33 and 56 and click on run button. You will get the sum value. Okay, you will get the sum value, that is sum is 89. Students, you understand? Okay, so similarly you can do some other programs. This is the command line arguments, how to use in Eclipse. Yesterday we seen using a normal environment. Now we seen this particular program using Eclipse. So please practice other command line programs in Java by using this particular environment. Okay, you can go through different programs. So let us